understanding shutter speed in just 2 minutes. Let's go. Hey Photo World, I'm Rob Kruger. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, smash that like, and leave a comment. Shutter speed is one of 3 settings used to set your overall exposure. Specifically, it's the setting that measures the amount of time a photograph is being captured. We see this in seconds or fractions of seconds. There are faster shutter speeds like 1/250th, 1/500th, 1/1000th, and on the slower side we can use 1/15th, 1/8th, or even whole seconds, 1, 2, 10, and most cameras as low as 30 seconds. Many cameras can be as fast as 1/4000th or even 1/8000th of a second. So why is this important? Well, you know when you take a really cool picture and later you find out that it's a little bit blurry? There's a good chance your shutter speed was too slow. Or you get that perfect frame, that nice waterfall, and you can't seem to get that cool, silky, majestic look to the water? It's probably because your shutter speed was too fast. See, we can use shutter speed to enhance our photos. All we need to know is what we want and how to get it. So here are a few things to remember about shutter speed. If you have a fast moving subject and you want to freeze it in motion, you should use a fast shutter speed, like 1/500th of a second or faster. If you want to have a blurred motion to create something interesting or allow enough time for stars to show up in the night sky, you need a slower shutter speed, like 1, 10, or even 30 seconds. Again, shutter speed is the time you are actually capturing a photo. So remember, fast shutter speed will help freeze motion, and a slower shutter speed will help blur or show the motion.